People and nature. The environment refers to the surroundings in which people, animals, and plants develop and exist. Modern life has many advantages, but at the same time, we produce a lot of waste. We pollute and damage the environment in which we live. Current environmental issues. The most serious environmental issues of today are: number 1, the pollution of air, water, and soil, or land. These forms of pollution are caused by smoke, harmful gases, heat, radiation, and poisonous chemicals, basically the outcome of human activities. Number 2, the greenhouse effect that causes global warming. This is a situation when the heat from Earth cannot escape from the atmosphere, and the temperature on Earth goes up as a result. This causes weather changes and even natural disasters, such as floods, unpredictable and heavy rain in a short time, droughts, no rain for a long time, forest fires, an unplanned, unpredictable, and uncontrolled fire spreading along large areas of Earth, the melting of ice and glaciers. As the ice and glaciers on the land and in the oceans melt, sea levels will continue to rise and more countries will be flooded. Number 3, the destruction of wildlife and the disappearance of many species of animals and plants. There is the Red List of threatened species. This is a list of rare plants and animals that are protected. Included here are some kinds of rhinos, elephants, and turtles, among others. Number 4, deforestation. This is the cutting down of trees for firewood or building materials. Number 5, the destruction of tropical rainforests. The forests are the lungs of the earth. Number 6, the breaking of the ozone layer. Why is the ozone layer so important? It serves as a filter that protects the Earth from the sun's harmful ultraviolet, or UV, rays. Without the ozone layer, life on Earth would not be possible. People, plants, and animals cannot live and grow in heavy ultraviolet radiation. Number 7. Consumer society, which produces too much waste. Question time, Part 1. Number 1. What are the major kinds of pollution we have to deal with? Number 2. What are the consequences of global warming? Number 3. Name some natural disasters and give their short characteristics. Number 4. Can you explain the technical term deforestation? Number 5. Why is the ozone layer so crucial for humankind? Number 6. Explain in brief. The red list of endangered species. Air pollution. Air pollution is the most severe problem in large cities and areas with large-scale industrial production. Number 1. Factories produce much waste, such as radioactive waste, dangerous emissions, carbon dioxide, which, combined with water, makes acid rain that harms trees and makes soil infertile. Number 2. Great amounts of pollution also come from heavy traffic and air travel. There are too many cars on the road. These cars release exhaust fumes into the atmosphere. We should rather travel by public transport because more people fit into the bus or train, which means less harm to the atmosphere. There are also military activities that affect the atmosphere. The ozone layer in the atmosphere serves as a filter for harmful light from the sun, with dangerous gases, CFCs, carbon dioxide from cars and power stations. We damage this layer and it causes many diseases such as skin cancer or allergies. Water pollution. Number 1. Factories release poisonous materials and life from the water disappears. Number 2. We throw plastic waste into rivers and pollute them. Number 3. We use too many detergents or cleaning products instead of natural cleaning products, e.g. vinegar. Number 4. Oil slicks from tankers destroy wildlife in the seas and rivers. Soil pollution. Number 1. Farmers also pollute the soil when they use a lot of chemicals or pesticides and fertilizers instead of natural ones. These kill birds, insects, and animals. Number 2. Litter. The massive amount of rubbish from our households and takeaway food is also a significant threat to the environment. Question time, Part 2. Number 1. What causes air pollution? Number 2. What causes water pollution? Number 3. What causes soil pollution?